In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme in Zoom if you want to make Zoom easier on your eyes or simply match the look of the app to your personal preference. Changing the theme is a quick and simple setting to adjust. Zoom gives you appearance options that can help improve visibility and make the interface feel more comfortable, especially if you use the app often throughout the day. To begin, open the Zoom app on your computer and wait for the main screen to load completely. Once you're on the home screen, look toward the top right corner of the window. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on that icon to open the account menu. This menu gives you access to several important options related to your Zoom app and profile settings. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This will open the Zoom settings window where you can customize different parts of the app. If you don't see the right option immediately, just take a moment to look through the categories listed along the side or within the settings panel. Next, click on General. This section contains overall app preferences, including the appearance settings that control how Zoom looks on your screen. Once you're inside the General section, look for the Appearance area. This is where Zoom lets you choose between different visual modes. In the Appearance settings, click on Light Mode if that's the theme you want to use. Light Mode gives Zoom a brighter, cleaner look, which many people prefer in well-lit environments or during daytime use. After that, select the theme to apply your choice. In most cases, the change happens right away, so you should see the interface update instantly. If the app doesn't change immediately, give it a second and make sure your selection was applied correctly. In some versions of Zoom, theme options may look slightly different depending on your operating system or app version, but the overall process is usually very similar, and that's it. You've successfully changed the theme in Zoom. It only takes a few clicks, and it can make a noticeable difference in how the app looks and feels while you're working, meeting, or chatting. If you found this helpful, you can use the same settings area later to explore more Zoom customization options and make the app work better for you.